guys, welcome back to my channel with Tech Yastra. I hope you all are doing well. So guys, in previous video I told you about how to create a company, how to create a new company in Tally, how to edit or make changes in a company, and how to delete a company. And I told you and showed you how to use the functions as well. So in this video I will tell you about gateway of Tally and all these functions in details. So let's begin with masters one. So in masters there is first one, that is accounts info. What does this actually means? Let me explain you. Accounts information is what? Let me tell you. Is any data related to an account, including account number, account balance or value, gross receipts, withdrawals or payments. Account, you must know that there's so many of the accounts, that receiving, taking, mobile account, bank account, balance, value, gross account, so many of the things. And for example, let me tell you again, in bookkeeping, an account refers to the assets, liabilities, income, expenses in equity as represented by individual ledger pages, to which changes in value are chronologically recorded with debit and credit entries. These entries are referred to posting, become parts and book and back of the final entry or ledger. Okay, so you got to know what is accounts info. Next is inventory info. What is inventory info? Inventory or stock refers to the goods and material that a business holds for the intimate goal of resale, for example production or utilization. Inventory management is also a disciplinary primarily and specifying with shape and placement of stocks goods. So you understood what I mean to say, right? So this means inventory info. Next, what is, okay, now on the second column with transactions. What does transaction means? Anyone of you know? No, let me tell you. Transaction means taking and given process. For example, Ram has sold a phone and Varun bought it. Okay. So what is the work? This is the transaction. Ram is giving and Varun is buying it. So let's begin with accounting voucher. Accounting vouchers or transactions refers to any business activity that results in a direct effect on the financial status or financial statement of the business. What does this mean? Any business activity which give direct result on the financial status and financial statement of the business is known as the accounting vouchers. Next, inventory vouchers or transactions. What does this mean? Anybody of you know? Let me explain you. Okay, an inventory transaction is the act of transferring ownership of inventory from a business to a customer. Very simple. You can understand what I said right now. Inventory transactions help you to manage the complex recording and accounting functions that are involved in moving inventory into and out of the locations. It's very simple. Again, let me tell you. An inventory means the act of transferring ownership of inventory. Means ownership on inventory, transferring ownership of inventory from a business to a customer. Very simple. From business to a customer. So now we will come on the utilities. So in utilities, the first one is import data. What does this mean? Import means, you must know this, and export means, import means to take. So what does import means? Import means to take, and data means, information. So what is import data? Let me explain you. Importing data is the process of retrieving data from external resources. External means outsiders, outside resources. Means you are taking any of the data from the external resources. While exporting data is the process of extracting data from DB2 for I and copying data to another system. You must have understood what I told you right now. Let me explain you once again. Importing data is the process of copying data from an external source into a software application or computer system, whatever you want to say. It can be done automatically or semi-automatically. So next, banking. What is banking? All of you must know what is banking, I hope so. So what is banking? You must have listened the word bank and banking. It's little similar. It's more similar at least. A bank is the financial institution that accepts deposits from the public and creates a demand deposit while simultaneously making loans. Lending activities can be directly performed by the bank or indirectly through capital markets. So let me tell you once again what I told right now. A bank is a financial institution. Financial, you must know. What does financial means? Financial means which come under money, all that things. Institution, it's an institution that accept deposits. Deposits, you must know. Deposits, withdraw, these are the words, you must know this. This comes in the banking line only. From the public and creates a demand deposit while simultaneously, you must know this. Okay, so next coming on the next one. Okay, it is reports. In reports, what is balance sheet? It's a very, very important one. What is actually a balance sheet? A balance sheet is a financial statement that summarizes a company financially position at a specific time. What I said, you understand it again. A balance sheet is a financial statement that summarizes a company's financial position at a specific time by detailing its assets, liabilities, and equity. It is also known as a statement of financial position or statement of net worth. So what I told you right now, let me tell you again. I told you in an English right now. Balance sheet is a financial statement that summarizes company's financial position. Financial position means about the money. You can understand financial means that only. And one more thing, how is it working? It's going good, bad, on which position it is at a specific time by detailing its assets. Detailing its assets means, what does this mean? Assets means things. What do you mean? Things. Any of the thing, like we had a shop of furniture, bad is assets. Okay, mobile is assets, table, chair, fan, these are assets. Okay, liabilities means, you must know, this is very easy. Liabilities in Hindi we will say udhar, kisi se udhar lena. So these are called liabilities. So this was our balance sheet. Next is profit and loss account. It's also important. Profit means faida, let me tell you. Loss means nuksan. We are in profit or we are in loss. So we also have these accounts of both the things. So what is profit and loss account? A profit and loss account are known as an income statement. Income means cash, means salary coming or earning anything, earning salary. That means income statement. It is a financial statement that summarizes a business revenue or an expense over a specific period of time. It shows like whether the business has made or lost money and is typically prepared annually. Okay, it means that what does this account tells us? It's very simple. If we had a business of anything, if we want to check if our business is being in profit, going in profit, or going in less, so for this we need to make profit and loss account. It's very simple, I told you. So the next is stock summary. What is the stock summary? Let me tell you. Stock summary is very, very easy. So you must know this stock summary as well. It's a report that summarizes the status of a business stock at a specific time. It provides the statements of the stock on hold hand, including, let me tell you, what is this? Like, it's very simple. A stock summary means what? You have a stock of so many things. For checking that, making proper list, like for example, in any of the business or any of the thing, we have to say like, I have this much chairs, this much of fans, this much of bad. So for all this, checking the stock, it's the account is being made of stock summary. It's very simple. So the next one is, let me tell you again. Okay, the next one is ratio analysis. This is the most important part. Let me tell you. Ratio analysis is a financial tool that examines a company's financial statement to evaluate its performance. Very simple. What does this mean? Ratio, you must know, for checking how is your business being working, on which ratio it's working on. It means financial tool. That example, it also tells about like your financial statement, checks about your financial statements, about the transactions, about your accounts info, inventory info, importing data, banking and balance, profit loss, all of this comes into this only. So what does ratio analysis means? This Ratio analysis is a financial tool that examines a company's financial statement to evaluate its performance. Actually, what it is, ratio analyzing is a method of analyzing company's financial data by calculating ratios from its balance sheet. So important. Ratio analysis comes from where? From a balance sheet. After doing a balance sheet, then it brings to itself. That's very simple. And now you can see here display option. So what is display? Enter and see. Now I will be telling you about these in the next video, guys. So thank you very much, guys, for watching my video. I hope you liked my video. Please subscribe my channel and share more and more. And if you have any type of doubt, please comment me or